Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over some of the word problems from the quiz just to make sure that you understand the steps and the procedures. Start with number 9. The price per pound of lobster was $2.94 per pound. Due to a limited supply, the price was marked up by 30%. If Logan buys 5 pounds of lobster, how much will he pay? So first and foremost, we have to take this $2.94 per pound and mark it up by 30% to see what the new price per pound is, okay, before we could talk about Logan and the 5 pounds. So what's the new price? Well, let's take that $2.94 and let's multiply it by 30%. So 2.94 in my calculator, 2.94 times 0.3 is equal to 0.882, so I'm going to round it to 0.88 cents, okay? So that's the markup. That's not the new price, that's the markup, which means now I need to mark up that $2.94. So let's add $2.94 by 88 cents, and I'm going to do that in my calculator. So $2.94 plus 0.88, and that gives me $3.82 per pound. So as a result of this limited supply, the price is now $3.82 per pound. Logan buys 5 pounds. So Logan bought 5 of those. So we got to multiply $3.82 by 5 to get $19.10. So that's how much Logan spent for 5 pounds of lobster. That was $3.82 per pound because it used to be $2.94, but it got marked up by 30%. For number 10, let's read to understand how many steps we have to go through here. Carson bought a coat for 40% off the original price. Then it was another 15% off the discounted price. If the coat originally cost $149, what was the final sale? All right. So first, we have to figure out 40% off of the original price. That's step 1, okay? So let's take that price of $149 and multiply it by 0.4 to figure out what 40% of it is. So 149 times 0.4. That gives me 59.6 off. So let's take $59.60 off of the $149. So we're going to take that $149 and subtract by 59.6, which means that the 40% off coupon has him paying $89.40. So again, this is simply just taking 40% off of the original price. So I found 40% of the original price, which is $59.60, and then I took that off $149. Now, some of you are finding this point, the 40% using a proportion. That's fine. You're still going to get 59.6, but you have to subtract it from the price so that this is just a discount. So we have to take that discount off, and this is the sale price. So this is the discounted new price. Then let's say he had another coupon. So this was what it cost. And he had another coupon for 15% off the discounted price. So now he's got to take that price and take off 15%. So let's take $89.40, multiply it by 0.15. That's going to be 15% of $89.40. Okay, that's $13.41. So let's take off that 15%. I'm using my calculator for all this computation. So 89.4 minus 13.41, that's $75.99. So let's just confirm that we followed all the steps. Carson bought a coat for 40% off the original price. Okay, there's my 40% and taking it off. Then this price got discounted 15% off. So there's 15%, and there's me taking it off. And there's the $75.99, and that is the price that finally Carson ended up paying. For number 11, it was pretty straightforward. Madeline wants to buy a dress priced at $94.79. If the sales tax is 8%, that's 0.08. What is the total amount she must pay? Okay, so let's multiply the price by that sales tax of 8%. That's $7.58. That's just the tax. So let's add that tax right back on. So $7.58 plus 94.79 is going to give us $102.28. Actually, wait, I pressed the button wrong. I did it again on my calculator. It's $102.37. There we go. I didn't put that 9 in there. All right, so that's the final price that Madeline's going to pay with tax. On number 12, Shane is buying a pair of sneakers that regularly cost $59. They are on sale for 10% off. So we got to take 10% off of that. And then the sales tax is 6.25%. So what's the final price with tax? So first, let's take 10% off. So $59 multiplied by 0.1. Well, we already know 10% trick is one loop. So that's 5.9 off. So let's take 5.9 off of $59. So 59 minus 5.9, that's $53.10. So that's the discounted price or the sale price. Now what's going to happen is that has to get tax added to it. So we got to take that price now and add the sales tax. So let's take this price over here of $53.10 and multiply it by 0.0625, as that's the percentage of sales tax. So 53.1 times 0.0625, oh, I didn't type that in correctly, times 0.0625, that's $3.32 rounded, $3.32, that's just the tax. So we're going to take that tax and add it right back onto that price. So 3.32 plus, so add that back on, plus $53.10 to make Shane's price out the door with tax $56.42. Price out the door. Price with tax. So that's my explanation of those 4. I went nice and slow to hopefully help you understand each of the steps. They're not that complicated, but there are a lot of them. So it's just a matter of writing everything down and keeping all your steps organized. The best way to get better at this is to practice. Thanks for watching.